traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, August 28th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the pound yen, I do think this is the end of a wave 3, and I still think this is all wave C on the much higher time frames, or if you zoom out on the monthly at least. But I do think there's a very good chance that we are in a wave 4 right now, which should be a very, very overlapping corrective pattern. I think it's going to go down to at least a 50% Fibonacci retracement, probably around the 178.5 area, before we make another attempt on the uptrend for a wave 5. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, the question is whether this wave A is really over or not. On a lot of these yen pairs, I still think that it needs to make another attempt down to finish off the wave A before it goes up and makes a wave B, and then goes down and makes a wave C, all of wave 4. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, it's like to me it looks like impulsive up, corrective down, impulsive up. We still never got a break of structure to the upside. So I'm still looking at this as possibly a crutch into this last wave down. I still think there's a good chance that it is going to end up going back down and eventually maybe retesting these lows right here. All still one trend, which I think is a wave A. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I still think this is all very, very, very corrective, which is why I'm still looking at this as very impulsive, and this whole move from that point on is extremely corrective. Impulsive versus corrective usually does lead to impulsive. So I'm definitely still looking for another big push down and definitely still looking for shorts. Moving down to the 1 hour time frame, even though the pound yen has been pretty overlapping, I mean, there's been some pretty nice little sorting opportunities lately. And I definitely would continue to look for shorts. I'm hoping at some point this thing is going to stop being so overlapping and just keep on trending down. So I'm definitely still looking for pullbacks to go short again for the continuation of the downtrend, which I still think this needs to go down and make a wave 5 of wave A based on the higher time frames and based on other yen pairs. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.